Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we need to talk about a very important subject. I didn't even script this video. This is all off the cuff. I'm just speaking from the heart. Okay, I've had an epiphany. Not really an epiphany. I've had this idea for a long time, this mindset. Guys, do not go out and buy a gaming laptop when you have the opportunity to get a gaming desktop. So I used to be like one of those people that thought, hey, like if I pay a little more for a laptop, I can get a good graphics card and stuff and maybe game on the go. But here's the thing, gaming on the go is not that great of an experience, especially when you're playing on a 15-inch screen. When you actually experience true gaming, like even Minecraft, for example, it's so much better if you're playing on a big like 1080p, even 1440p display. That's like 25, 27 inches. If you push it to 30 inches if you really want to. And yeah, it may be not on the go, but the whole experience is so much better. And let me just screen share here real quick. Let me just go to screen record. And guys, just take a look at this. Just take a look at these prices. Like I could scroll through here. Look how expensive these laptops are. And this one in particular here, $2,000 right here. You're paying $2,000, and normally, and that's $200 off. So normally it's like $2,200. Yeah, people have to understand this. The graphics cards you're getting in these computers are mobile versions and are not even close to what you get in a full gaming PC, like full gaming desktop. If you look at a graphics card, the mobile version versus the full version is like a legit full-size graphics card that plugs into your motherboard and has actual like display outputs, HDMI and stuff like that plugs into your monitor. Like this thing's a beast and has fans. Like if you look at these graphics cards, like RTX 2070, that's not an actual RTX 2070, that's a 2070 mobile edition. And it's not nearly as powerful. Wanna know why? Because it doesn't have those big giant fans. It doesn't have enough space, and you're putting it inside a tiny laptop where a bunch of heat can build up, as opposed to a full desktop where there's a bunch of fans, it's a CPU cooler and all this. Like, it's so much better. And look, they try to advertise the 240 hertz refresh screen. It's a 15-inch screen. Imagine seeing that 240 refresh rate on a monitor that's like 27 inches. Guarantee you it's 10 times as good. Guaranteed. But yeah, like who's paying these prices? Do you know how good of a computer you can get for these prices? Even the $900 one, you could get a beast. You could get like Ryzen 7, RX 580, like terabyte of SSD storage. But they rip you off. Like, see, they'll say like, oh, you get an i7. Honestly, but they don't say what i7 here. You have to check the details on that one. And only a 512 gigabyte SSD. That's not even a lot of storage. And you're paying $900 and it's $300 off. Just keep that in mind right there. I could go on and on and on. But look at that, 8 gigabytes of memory. You're paying $900. Do you know how much RAM costs? I'll give you a hint. I made a video previously. 16 gigabytes of RAM, like the two 8 gig sticks, was $75. You're telling me that can't be factored into this price here? A laptop that normally costs $1,200, you can't give me 16 gigs of RAM? Sorry, this is such a rant. As I said, I didn't script this at all. This is completely off the cuff. This fires me up. The fact that they sit here and they try to tell you like RTX 2060 Max Q, like who's really on the go gaming at 120 hertz? You could, I mean, I have a feeling a lot of people are going to agree with me on this, but I'm sure there's people that disagree with me, and that's fine. You can have the right to your own opinion, but seriously, go see what it's like to game on a desktop PC. The whole experience is so much better, and you don't have to run the risk of your PC overheating or anything like that because the cooling is so much better. And you can just get these parts for cheaper, and everything just works better. And you don't have to worry about your computer blowing up because you're playing at 240. Like, look at this. You're going to be gaming in 4K, like 240 hertz. Like, your laptop's going to explode because of how much heat that causes. Okay, I need to get back here. That was my quick rant. If you enjoyed this video, guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And, yeah, don't go buy a gaming laptop. Just go build your own computer.